Welcome! This is Technology Today. The GoPro HERO cameras are innovative action cameras that are the world leader in extreme sports video and still photography. The Hero series of cameras are lightweight and durable camera equipment that are used to capture high-definition videos. The GoPro HERO cameras are innovative action cameras that are the world leader in extreme sports video and still photography, and most often used in extreme action videography as well as part of the connected sports movement. GoPro cameras are mainly used in extreme sports video and still image capturing as well as in making films. GoPro products have increasing popularity due to their innovative and convenient design, their durability, easy-to-use features, versatility of the camera, the various types of camera mounts available, as well as the affordable cost at which the products are sold. The advanced features and affordability make GoPro cameras the preferred choice of professional, as well as amateur, extreme sports enthusiasts who wish to capture their adventures firsthand with a point-of-view angle and at the highest quality of definition and clarity of the footage and images. GoPro products are versatile and innovative and still being affordable to the amateur sports enthusiast. The company is constantly innovating and introducing advanced and new technologies in the action camera sector, giving a tough fight to its competitors. The GoPro HERO series of cameras is the company's strongest selling product, with a popularity spanning the whole world for its durability, ease of use, advanced features, easy editing, and affordability, with amateur and professional sportsperson increasingly demanding for it. GoPro is also one of the foremost providers of versatile camera mounts, ranging from suction cups to chest harness, as well as being one of the top unique content providing companies. Thank you for listening. If you would like to access this product, click on the link in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you will not miss the next product reviews. Like the video and leave a comment below.